more in the closet that way. Then this can go back. Up this way. Okay, I can still get through here to the other side of my closet pretty good. I gotta do something about that. Let's see if I can move it over a little bit. Shit. No. Okay. Let's turn the fan on. Oops. And thank you, Rose, for today. I appreciate you. Okay, that's better. I need to Velcro that right there. Or can I put it up here now? Oh, maybe I could put it up here until I wash clothes. There, now I can move my fan how I want it. Thank you. Glad I bought 3 of those before I left Las Vegas. Okay, now I can hang. Yeah, so if I do laundry right now, just these 3, it opens this way. Like that. Like that. If I could do laundry properly, Tosh, I should only need to use one side. I don't have any hangers. I want to get the good hangers Mama used to buy that were really puffy, and you don't got pokey shoulders, you know. Anyway, that's something for another day, so. Sorry, Silk. Junk journaling. It don't matter. I could put out either side, but I usually don't need that much because I wear caftans. So I just throw it over, and an hour later it'll dry. Father divine. Princess, we're gonna get a salad. We're gonna get a salad. Say hello. Okay, looky here. You know what? It looks like I'm just gonna have to bring out the water bottle because you want to put your hands in screen. No, move. You get no window. You get no window. We've been going over this for 9 months. No, you cannot look at that. Now I'm gonna have to pay for a screen. No, that's bad behavior, son. I'm just gonna have to get the cat screens out. And put the cat screens in, because eventually when Magic gets down, he'll jump over here. Hello? What's going on? And put the cat screens in. Shit. No. Thank you, Dawn, for finding cat screens for me. I'll put the other one in later. Let's bring this back down. Keep out as much heat as possible. Yeah, right. Okay. We'll put the other one in, but see, Magic is good. He won't want to climb into the windowsill. He always wants to lay right here. You see the bulge right there? Yeah, that's from him laying there for maybe 2 days. Okay, now I can put my shower chair back in the shower. shower later. You guys, how am I going to get this off of here? I don't know what the hell I was thinking putting it way up there. I always sit down generally to wash. I should have put it like down there. Shut up, these will go to the bathroom. Oh, shut up and bear with me. When you're an old lady, you can do videos and go pee too. That's Magic. Magic uses the pee pads. Princess just holds it unless it's snowing. Yeah. Oh, I gotta spray the floor so I can mop. Anywho, go have a beautiful day, people. I love you. Again, thank you, Miss Rose. And can't wait to order 3 more curtains so it'll be nice and fluffy. Anywho, love you. Bye.